Hello, second grade. Welcome to our Briggs lesson. I know you have done so much writing in these last couple of days, and I am so proud of you all for all of the hard work that you're doing. Know that you are putting in a lot of hard work, and when we put in a lot of hard work, we get to see the fruit of our labor. What does that mean? It means that when you work hard, you get to see the results, right? The good handwriting, um, the ability to be able to write faster, right? But that takes time. We have to practice and practice and practice. And you'll see with your plant this next week, you're going to plant it and you're going to water it and you're going to check it every single day. And you're going to look at it and you're going to say, when are you going to sprout? But you have to be patient. That doesn't mean you don't look at the plant every day. That doesn't mean you don't water the plant every day. That simply means you're patient, right? Okay, well, let's begin. Today, there's no writing. Today, all you have to do is listen and watch. So just do that, okay? We are learning a couple of phonograms. I'm going to talk to you today about phonograms. The English language, meaning when we speak English, I'm going to raise my screen up, kind of see the letters. The English language, which is when we speak English, raise your hand if you can speak English. Everyone can, right? I mean, everyone in our class, right? Raise your hand if you can understand English. Right? If you don't even know what I'm saying right now. So great. You know English. You can speak English. Now we have to learn how to write English, right? So that's the tricky part. And we're going to learn how to read English. So some of us might have a little hard time, have a harder time reading, and that's okay. And then there's other ones of us who can read easily, right? You just pick up a book and you can read it. The English alphabet, boys and girls, has 26 letters. How many letters does it have? It has 26 letters. All of them are up here. If you don't believe me, let's sing the song, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's count it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. See? 26 letters. Now, alphabet has 26 letters, right? And the only letters that you have ever heard in English are the vowels. You have never heard the consonants, right? The consonants. What does that mean? Is A a vowel? Mm-hmm. Have you heard the sound A in the English language? Yeah, right? You've heard the sound A, right? Tape. Have you heard the sound of A? Yeah. Have you ever heard the sound of B in a word? I mean, other than the insect, a bee, right? But have you ever heard the sound of B? No. No. You've heard the phoneme of B, right? The phonogram of B, which is B, B. But you've never heard a word say B, right? Never. Is C a vowel? Nope. Have you ever heard the word C in any word? Nope. You've heard K or S, right? But you've never heard you've never heard the word C. So the only letters that we hear in the English language are the vowels, the only ones that say their names, right? Let's see, what's another vowel? E. Have you ever heard the sound E in a word? Mm-hmm. Right? We've heard the sound E in many words. B, right? E. You hear the word E. So again, all of the vowels you can hear in the English language, and all of the consonants have other sounds. So with that being said, I am going to teach you how to read. And the way that I'm going to do that is this little box right here. This little box contains everything you need to know on how to read. This is going to help us solve the puzzle, because when we're reading English letters, we're actually trying to solve a puzzle. Isn't that fun? We're actually trying to solve a puzzle where you're trying to see which sound makes which sound within a word, okay? So this has all of the answers on how to solve the puzzle of each word, right? How to sound out a word. And today we're going to learn 4 of these. We're going to learn 4 of these sounds, okay? The first one. A, ah. I'm going to grab my whiteboard. And if you have a piece of paper, no, we'll do that after. See if you can see it. There it is. Okay. A, ah. Some of you have already met with me, and we have been writing this letter down, right? It's letter A. So say it with me. A, ah. Say it again. A, ah. Right now, all you have to be doing is saying it out loud with me, okay? A, ah. A, ah. A. Your turn. I'm gonna say it, and then I'm gonna leave some time for you to say it. A, ah. Your turn. Good. Let's move on to the next one. Get my eraser. Say it with me. Every time a letter makes a sound, we call that sound a phonogram. Can you say that with me? Phonogram. Every time a letter says a sound, we call that a phonogram. Now say it with me. Now your turn. D, D, D. This one is D, D, D. Now say it with me. D, D, D. Do it again. D, D, D. Not D, D. That's not right. D, D, D. Not D, D, D. If you're making that U sound, that's not right. D, 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 D. And the last one. Now say it with me. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix them and you are going to have to tell me what they are. A, aw, aw. Say it with me. A, aw, aw. K, s, k, s. D, 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 d. Good. So those are the 4 for today. Keep on practicing with these. Keep on watching the video over and over until you can, or at least this part, until you can memorize those. We'll keep on practicing these next week, okay? Totus, Maria.